Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Dried bamboo shoots are excellent at absorbing grease. When Hakka people cook duck or chicken for special occasions, they take the soup used to cook the meat and add dried bamboo to it, cutting the grease. This makes the bamboo shoots soft and delicious, a great addition to Hakka cuisine.
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're going to focus on the ingredients of Hakka cuisine. 我希望 Leo 呢可以带我介绍一些这个客家美食里面的一些食材，一些基本食材。
好啊。那我介绍大家那个我们客家人比较独特的用乳沟
乳沟要露乳沟哦？
不是啦，就是腌起来，用乳沟用为菜
哦，是卤过的东西就对了，
就把它腌制过的。
OK， 乳沟听起来真的像乳沟啊。That's different.
不是啦，你想太多了啦。
But what Leo is saying right here is he wants to introduce these marinated ingredients. 其实客家的美食里面有很多都是腌制品啊。
对。
比如说呢？
笋干
是
猜看
笋干啦。
哎呀，其实我们吃到的新鲜的竹笋它是比较甜，但是笋干就不一样了。笋干要用皮糖来煮，
用皮糖又是什么东西了？皮蛋？
不是，错，
我又错了。
皮糖就是高汤，煮那个鸡鸭的高汤，
用这个高汤皮糖，
皮糖煮，
然后再煮这个笋干。
对，那个笋干会吸那个皮糖里面的
油腻，
对，就变滑滑嫩嫩的。
I see. Okay, it all makes sense now because the preserved bamboo shoots, they actually absorb oil very well. So when you put it into the chicken duck soup, it actually absorbs all the oil out and it makes the soup even tastier, and it makes the bamboo shoots slippery and tasty and just chewy at the same time. So that's why they put it in there. So let's go ahead and review some of these terms. First, it's the bamboo shoot, 竹笋.
竹笋.
And then if it's dried, preserved, 笋干.
笋干.
And then you actually cook it inside a chicken or duck soup stock, 也就是高汤。
皮糖。
然后还有刚刚教乳沟啊，不是吗？
是啊，是乳沟啦。
怎么再讲一次？
就是腌制过的乳沟
Okay, that means marinated food. So there you have it. That's today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.